How to turn off recommended music notifications on Spotify. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn off recommended music notification on Spotify. First, you go to Spotify and then click here in top corner to go to settings, and now go down. You need to find this category notifications, and then you will find this one. Click on it and now click here recommended music, and now you need to turn this one off and this one off if you don't want notifications on your email. And that's how to turn off recommended music notification on Spotify. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.